How to connect Epson printer to mobile. Here are 10 detailed steps to connect your Epson printer to your mobile. 1. Download the Epson iPrint app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and download Epson iPrint. 2. Install the app. After downloading, install the Epson iPrint app on your mobile. 3. Turn on your Epson printer. Power on your Epson printer and ensure it is ready for setup. 4. Activate printer's Wi-Fi. On the printer, press the Wi-Fi button or go to the settings menu to enable wireless mode. 5. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. Follow the printer's on-screen instructions to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. 6. Connect mobile to same Wi-Fi. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that the printer is on. 7. Open the Epson iPrint app. Launch the Epson iPrint app on your mobile and allow any necessary permissions. 8. Search for printer in the app. The app will automatically search for printers on the same network. Wait for your Epson printer to appear. 9. Select your printer. Tap on your Epson printer when it shows up in the app to pair it with your mobile device. 10. Print a test document. To confirm the connection, select any document or image in the app and try printing it to ensure everything works correctly.